Moving forward, we are in question D2. Don't forget that the question further says we should find the determinant of AB. So in order for you to find a determinant, you need to consider something first, which is here is plus, here is minus, and here is also plus. We are making use of this 22, all the elements in this row. The first one we are considering is 22. Now you see the row of this element and the column of this element, you need to make them invisible. This is the column, this is the row of 22. You know we are making use of 22. Then make it invisible, like we are not seeing it again. You understand? And the column too, and the row too, the row of this 22, you need to make it invisible. Then what are the elements left? Then you write them out. You know when this one is invisible and this row is also invisible, it will be remaining this. Abi? So write them out, which is 13, 14, minus 4, and minus 14. It is as simple as that. Then we are done with that one. This minus, write it out. Then the second value, the second element, which is 11, you open bracket again. Now the row of this 11, the row and the column, make it invisible too. That is, this row we are not seeing it, make it invisible. You understand? And the row, if you notice, if you make this particular column invisible, it will be remaining 22, 15, minus 4, and 14, because this place and this above is invisible now. Do you understand? So it is remaining 21, 14, minus 4, and minus 14. So those are the elements you are going to write out. 21, 15, minus 4, and minus 14. Then plus 2. These two. You know, I told you we are making use of 22, 11, and 2 in order to find our determinant, plus 2. So you open the third bracket. So you close the first row and the first column under these two, the column under these two, and the row. You make them invisible. So if you are making them invisible, so it will be remaining only these parts. You know this is 2, the column, make it invisible. The row 2, make it invisible. So if this one is invisible and this up is also invisible, so it will be remaining these elements. So the remaining element is what you will write out. It is as simple as that. 13 and 4. When you use minus 14 to multiply 13, it gives us minus 182. So what about 14 times 4? That gives us minus 56. Minus 11 into brackets. Minus 14 times 21. 14 times 21. That gives us 294. Minus. This particular minus is that one is constant. So 15 times minus 4. Minus 15 times 4. That should be 60. Plus 2. 14 times 21. 294 minus 15 times 13. That's 195. Now we will now say 22 into brackets minus 182 plus 56 minus 11 minus 294 plus 60. How do you get this plus? Minus times minus plus. The same thing is applicable to this place too. Minus times minus plus. So plus 2, 294 minus 195. Is that understood? So 22 now. Minus 182 plus 56. Minus 182 plus 56. That's minus 126 minus 11 times minus 294 plus 16. That will give us minus 234 plus 2 times 294 minus 195. 294 minus 195. That should be 99. Is that understood? So 22 times 126. minus 2772 plus 11 times 223, 234 rather. 11 times 234, 2574 plus 99 times 2, 198. So minus 2772 now plus 2574 plus 198 equals to 0. So our final answer is 0. So the determinant of AB now is equals to 0. It is as simple as that.